How to add another language in your keyboard in Android. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. First of all, we will simply go to any app where we can write any text. So I will simply go to notes. You guys can go to any app like WhatsApp or anything. So simply click on notes. Here my keyboard was showing, so in keyboard I will simply click on these four square. After that you guys will see one handed and also settings on top right corner, so simply click on settings. Once you guys click on settings, on top you guys will see languages, so simply click on languages. Here you guys will see English US quality, also 8 keyboard, so simply click on 8 keyboard. Here you guys can search for the language, and once you search for it, simply click on that language, and after that click on OK or confirm, and your that language will be added to your keyboard. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.